Hello everyone, this is our third video of data science assignment series. In this video, we're going to discuss neural networks, clustering and regression modeling. Let's start. Our first topic is neural networks. The introduction to neural networks. Neural networks are computational models inspired by the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons. Neural networks are widely used for tasks such as image recognition and natural language processing. Its implementation. First, we need to import TensorFlow package. Let's see its implementations. So we need to import necessary libraries like TensorFlow, sklearn, and libraries of sklearn packages. Let's run this program. We got our accuracy, which is 1.0. Let's move to the next topic. Training and evolution. Neural networks are trained using optimization algorithms like gradient descent. Training involves adjusting the weights of network to minimize the error. Evaluation is performed on a separate dataset to assess the model's performance. Next topic is clustering. Introduction to K-means clustering, which is part of clustering. K-means is a popular unsupervised machine learning algorithm for clustering. It partitions data into K clusters based on similarity. The algorithm aims to minimize the variance within each cluster. Implementation. For clustering, we need to import necessary libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, sklearn, and its packages like K-means and matplotlib. This is our generated data. We got the value of when we move the cursor, we got the value of that exact part, x and y coordinates. And this is K-means clustering. These are the cluster centers. We got 4 cluster centers here, and the value of clusters at each position is different. Choosing the number of clusters. So selecting the right number of clusters K is crucial. Common methods include the elbow method and Silote scores. Visualization and interpretation. Visualize the clusters using scatter plots or other techniques. Interpret the results and analyze the characteristics of each cluster. Next topic is regression modeling. Model evaluation and matrices and techniques. First is confusion matrix. It involves true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative. Second is accuracy. It is used for proportion of correctly classified instances. Third is precision, recall and F1 score used for matrices or binary classification performance. Fourth is receiver operating characteristics, ROC curve, used for graphical representation of model's ability to discriminate. Fifth is area under curve, AUC. AUC ROC summarizes the ROC curve. Its implementation. So Python code for model evaluation, we need to import NumPy, sklearn and Matplotlib. We got our error. We find two errors here. This is the actual predicted graph. 0 is for actual data and blue line is for prediction data. Stepwise regression overview and implementation. Stepwise regression is a method for selecting the most significant variables for a predictive model. It involves iteratively adding or removing variables based on statistical criteria. Its implementation, we need to import statmodels.api as SM for implementation of static regression. This is our code. Okay, so we got the output. Standard error, assume that covariance matrix of error is correctly specified. This is our results, OLS regression result.